Cambridge Court Apartment Homes. My name is Gail Owens. Let me tour you around. We have here in our wonderful 692 square foot home here. You'll see you have the living room area that includes a fireplace. It includes a balcony patio area. It includes a shelving for you, which is built in. We also have here on this side, we have a wonderful dining section for you. You can actually place bar stools here. We have a wonderful kitchen area here that has the granite countertops, updated faucets. We have washer and dryer connections. Oh, come on in here, let's take a look at the bedroom. In here we have a wonderful bedroom size that's even fit for a California king. And also with here we would have a bathroom area, which also has our granite countertops, an updated faucets, everything here that you need in a bathroom. Let's walk over here in our actual closet area here. And what you would notice if you have a wonderful walk-in closet here. That is very spacious, awesome. All right, well there you go. Thank you for visiting with me at Cambridge Court Apartment Homes. I would love for you to come and tour with me today or any day. Just give me a call. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.